watching this. Anyway, there's been a lot of, I guess, talk, or maybe not a lot of talk, but there's been some talk on the news lately about counterfeit or fake titanium being used in a lot of our aerospace projects and planes and stuff here in the US. Well, most of the titanium in the world, from what I remember reading, it comes from like China and Russia, and you know, you get a lot of fake counter stuff here. Well, not fake counter stuff, fake or counter stuff. Anyway, blah blah blah, rambling. Should have thought this through better. Anyway, leaving it in. So one of the ways you can tell is titanium, though, is not magnetic. So I figured, hey, let's test some of the titanium products I have to see maybe if some of them actually end up being fake. Here's my little magnet I'm going to use, and just to prove it's a real magnet. See? So let's look at some of my titanium gear. All right, yeah, a little bit of a dirty stove, but oh well, we'll get it working. First up, we're gonna start with the old familiar Vargo Bot HD. Well, it appears to be real titanium. That's good. Why is this autofocus going crazy? Okay, hopefully I fixed that autofocus issue. Next, this is the Emberlit Fire Ant Titanium Stove. Yep, that is good. Okay, so far 2 for 2. All right, let's go with Keith. This is a Keith Titanium. I believe they're also the same people, or comes from the same factory as the heavy cover stuff. We'll see if this works. Okay, Keith seems to be good to go, at least on this. Next up, hopefully this doesn't cause controversy. The Pathfinder titanium stuff. Sorry, just checking the handles here too. Okay, Pathfinder Self-Reliance Outfitters. You made it through. And finally, we got my Silver Ant stuff. Okay, very good. Silver Ant, you passed the test. Okay, hey, real quick, throwing this in here. There's one thing I forgot to check before I ended the video. I've got these titanium steaks by Tom Shoe. Let's see how they are. Yep, okay, they passed too. Alright, last interruption, I swear. I found a couple more pieces of titanium as I was just getting ready to edit this video. So here's a little titanium steak. Not sure the brand, can't remember where I bought it. Probably AliExpress. But, yep, nothing there. Here's my Olite Opry. Nothing there. Now maybe the tools in it. Okay, so it's got like tools and like a little magnet, so those are probably steel. But as for the main part of the tool, it's fine. And this is a little whistle from Canicom Meritech. Little titanium whistle. And that's fine too. So back to the video again. So it's good to see that all my stuff has passed the test. Well, actually, I didn't check my Evernew stove because that's packed in a kit, and I'm not sure which kit it's in, honestly. And I didn't check all my titanium gear. I just checked, as you saw, just some different brands. So they all passed. That's awesome. That's good. Just, you know, be cautious with who you're buying stuff from, especially if you're going to be using sites that are not maybe based here, or manufacturers aren't based here in the US. Some of this stuff, yeah, I did order either directly from the company like Keith. Some of the stuff I got off of AliExpress, so you know that comes from China, so sometimes that could be questionable. Luckily in this case, all is well. So yeah, just again, do your research, be aware, and hey, you know, don't be afraid to test your gear, especially before you go out in the field with it or do stuff with it. So, this was a quick video, checking titanium. Remember, go outside, do a science, enjoy life, all that stuff that I say. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.